Hi, Beth.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We're going hiking today.
Okay. Are you excited?
I am. I'm so excited.
Yay! Maria, where are we really going?
Natchez Trace.
And what are we doing?
We're hiking.
Good morning.
I got my shoes.
Yay! Anna is our tour guide today. None of us have any idea what's going on except for Anna. Yeah. No, I don't know. Are we going to?
A waterfall.
Is it about this sign right here?
Yeah, I just did. Okay. Oh, look how crooked I am.
There's not even a parking space.
We're gonna go down there. Yeah, but I'm not even straight. And then we're gonna go up here. Okay. Alrighty.
Perfect.
And yay.
We have arrived to location number 1. It is gorgeous. Okay, you guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? Oh yeah, look at that beauty. A puppy. So, the bad news is that while we have this beautiful waterfall, that after this we have to climb up this really steep hill. Yay! To get back to where we were. Are you excited?
Yeah. I actually don't mind climbing up the hill.
Let me show you where we have to be. We have to climb all the way back up there. Ahaha. Ahaha. There's bacteria. Maria says it hogs all the oxygen from the fish, and so it's bad for fish. So that is your daily Bill Nye the Science Guy fact. Maria has decided to live here. This is her new habitat. She is in her natural space. She's thriving, living her best life. The only thing she would need is somewhere to plug in her phone.
And like food.
Nah.
She's gonna eat the fungi?
Yeah. It's me, Peggy. Making our way to stop 2. Beth and I are affected by the steep walk. Maria and Anna are not. Here is our second stop. It's an outlook that we could have driven to. But we walked. Hey guys, I've been laid on the concrete. So on our third stop, we met a puppy, and his name was Yukon.
Oh, he's just a guard
Yeah,
dog.
it's not her dog.
You're such a cute baby. Oh, what's your name? He's so friendly. Needs daily meds. Do not.
We are now at our 4th stop, and it is a tobacco farm. So here's a tobacco farm. It's a pretty old barn, like every other barn at home. Early tobacco must be air cured for 4 to 6 weeks in the barn before it's ready for market. Wow. I don't see any tobacco. This was a lie. For our 5th stop, we are doing Old Trace Walk, and we have no idea where it leads to, but we'll find out and let you know. Woo! So the sign says that we need, oh God, that we need to pretend like it's the 1800s and we had to walk 20 to 30 miles every day. And so of course,
or horseback.
And so of course that means that I pull out my phone to record that because it is the 1800s. This might be weird, but when I was a younger child, I used to like go up in the woods behind my house and pretend like I was a Native American and like run around and like gather berries and nuts and stuff and like hide and stuff. I don't really know. I don't know if that was just like a me thing or like Anna and Maria said they did that too. So I have told people that from home that have looked at me like I was stupid. Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, so. Comment if you guys ever pretended to be a Native American. So I think we're on the end of the trail, question mark? Question mark? We are at our next stop. I can't remember how many this is. It is the Gordon House. It is one of the few remaining buildings associated with the old Natchez Trace. John Gordon's house? Yeah, I don't really know.
It's a long life.
Let's go see the house. I'm gonna go in it. Anna says we can't, but I am. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna bust in there. Here's the house.
They even took the stairs off.
I'm getting in there. I'm going in. Well, they have this boy so closed up that I think I would have to break in.
Looks like a prison.
The basement does look like a prison. So I guess we're not breaking into this boy. Anna is going off this trail. I repeat, Anna is going off the trail. This may be found footage one day. What if this ends up being found footage? And they make a movie about us, kind of like Blair Witch? Wouldn't that be so cool? Wouldn't that be so cool?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Flowers.
Let me see. Aw, she's cute. You know, you killed her by picking her, right?
Yeah.
All right. As long as you know, we're going to the basement.
Where it looks like a prison. This is a cellar. Oh, look, a salamander.
Do you see anything?
No, there's a lizard. Baby?
Aw.
You're blocking it.
Hi.
Sorry, baby.
Do you guys see anything in there?
I don't know if I want
Beth, shine your phone flashlight in here.
It's not even working.
I don't see anything. It's just a dark abyss. What if someone like just knocked up against it? Ooh, stairs. If we were gonna get in, this is where we would get in at.
Yeah, and if we were gonna get killed, there's just one door.
No, but there's like, all you could do is use bullet clippers to get in. Do you see anything in there? Yeah. If you could, it's lunchtime!
Yay!
We love eating! This is our view for lunch and the table we will be lunching on. Just a peaceful, calm meal. I'll show you guys the spread whenever it's out. Here is the spread. We have jalapeno lime. We have Lifesavers. We have Tex-Mex. We have Cape Cod chips. We have sandwiches. Mine is PB&J. Hers is tomato and cheese. I don't know what you're eating. So yeah, we are just thriving today for lunch.